Hello, welcome to Bat Chat. Today, I'm going to teach you two things. First, it's very important before I continue, a disclaimer, I guess. Uh, Try not to fall in love with me because I'm beautiful. Today, we're going to make something that I just came up with. But before I do, I'm gonna go outside to say hi to the neighbor because now they got used to me wearing a costume. Hola. The thing is, I think it's very important to laugh and to make others laugh. This whole thing with the neighbor started because she's seen me wearing something weird, whether it's bunny ears or one of my mom's robes, and I just go outside forgetting that I'm wearing it, and then I'm like, "Hi, neighbor," and she just looks at me like, what the hell? She's so used to she once told me, you know what? It's so funny. Like every time you come out, you always wear something weird. Now my husband and I and the kids were just like, I wonder what he's gonna wear today. so so I do it for them now. So now I just put something on purpose this time on purpose, so they can see it and they can have a good laugh, and brighten someone's day. So I made this dish that's amazeballs. It's amazing, and it is honey garlic shrimps. Yes, honey. Do you see it? No? I don't have good lighting here. Honey garlic shrimp. First serve, I picked the pasta and I boiled it with a little bit of virgin or extra virgin olive oil. And so this is the kind of oil that hasn't even used a curse word. And then a little bit of lemon and pepper seasoning in the water, in the boiling water. And that's it. Now for the I gotta fix that door. It's so creepy. It's like a haunted house. And that's just the pantry door. So soy sauce and a little salt, a little pepper. You know what pepper looks like. Don't make me look for it. And honey, and what else did I use? Oh yes, it's called what do they call it here? Peeled garlic. Yeah, you take like, the recipe suggests that I used 2, so I used 6. I used 1 pound of shrimp, and this wasn't in the recipe, but I added to it bell peppers, any color you want. I used red. My mom, I noticed that outside she has this thing. We call it Oh no! Ah, my dog's crazy. She's jealous because I'm talking to you. Anyway, in Spanish, that plant, we call it malagueta. In English, it's sass. So what you do is that you leave the shrimp and submerged in water with a little salt. Oh, I forgot. You also add lemon to the sauce. It says to put 1, I put 2. So I, yeah, you put the shrimp in a bowl, and you let in a bowl of water, salted water, and then you peel the shrimp if it's not peeled. Take the shell off while you make this amazing sauce with all the ingredients that I told you previously. And then you drain the pasta, you mix it together, and with the oh sorry, you put the shrimp in the sauce, stir it together, let it sit for a little while, and then you add the pasta to the sauce, and get ready to have an orgasm. It's really good. It's up to you if you want to put grated Romano or Parmesan cheese. It's really up to you. It tastes just as well on its own. I'm gonna put cheese in it. The final step is to enjoy it and pinch your nipples because it's that good. It's a nipple pinching dish. It's so good. I'm gonna go now because I made some damage in my nipillary area. I need reconstructive surgery because it was really good, and I hope that you guys enjoy it and don't suffer as much. All right, enjoy. Bye.